tanong. Since naglabas tayo ng video. Okay. Naglabas tayo ng video on how to check engine oil using the
dipstick.
Yeah. Dipstick, you can check color, texture, and volume. Paano i-check ang gear oil?
Ang gear oil,
wala siyang dipstick.
Oh, so hindi mo ma-check ang volume.
Pero
pwede mo ma-check ang
color and
texture.
Yes. So paano ba? Anong gagamitin mo?
Okay, since nawala naman siyang dipstick,
correct?
Gagamitin mo yung drain. Yung drain ng gear oil.
Yung drain plug niya. Oh, usually dalawa yan eh. Magkakalapit sila. Or either way. Gamitin mo yung drain. Ikot mo.
Gagamit ka ng socket wrench.
Ikot mo. Until merong
may tumulo.
1 drop is enough. For you to check the color and texture. Paano pag kulay brown?
Pag kulay brown o kulay tsokolate,
contaminated na siya.
Oo, may tubig. So, drain mo na lahat.
Yeah, drain mo na. Texture, make sure na merong gap.
Malampot pa siya.
Merong gap. Yung finger mo. In between. Alright? Use the wrench. Use the drain plug. Ikot. Konting tulo. Lock it.
That's it. Yun lang.
See you again.
I said $100,000, all a nigga needed. Be all you can be, I hope you niggas see it. Cop a pound, break it down, whip it, watch me beat it. I said cop a pound, break it down, flip it and repeat it. I stay quiet around these niggas, but the smoke is loud. Do this for my niggas, yeah, I'll hold them down. I do this for my city, boy, I run the town. She said she wanna